As we explore the potential of AGI, one cannot overlook the societal implications of such a transformative technology. The relationship between humanity and machines would inevitably shift, as individuals grapple with the fact that an artificial entity could rival human intelligence. Imagine a world where machines not only perform tasks but also participate in decision-making processes, creating a blend of human and machine governance. As machines increasingly enter roles traditionally held by humans, the dynamics of trust and accountability will come into question. Who will be held responsible for the actions of an AGI? Will it be the creators, the AI itself, or society as a whole? The answers to these questions are not just theoretical, they will define the relationship between technology and ethics. As we approach a future where AGI may be commonplace, discussions on legal frameworks and ethical standards will become paramount. The implications extend beyond simple job displacement. They provoke profound philosophical questions about consciousness, identity, and what it means to be human. As AGI begins to mirror human reasoning, society will be compelled to reevaluate the value of human experience and emotion in contrast to algorithmic efficiency. This creates a paradox where the need for human touch in work and relationships may grow more apparent alongside the rise of intelligent machines. Consequently, education systems must adapt, preparing future generations to coexist and collaborate with AGI rather than compete against it. The very fabric of our workplaces, social structures, and global economies stands to be redefined, ushering in an era that could either enhance or complicate human existence. The speed at which AGI can integrate into various sectors is astonishing. Just consider healthcare, where AGI could potentially revolutionize diagnostics and patient care by analyzing vast datasets far beyond human capability, indicative of how collaboration between humans and machines can lead to groundbreaking innovations. However, such advancements also raise critical questions. How much autonomy should AGI possess in making decisions about our health? If an AGI misdiagnoses a condition, who bears the responsibility? Furthermore, the disparity in access to this technology could deepen the already existing gaps in health equity, making it imperative to approach the advent of AGI in healthcare with caution and foresight. Preparing stakeholders, including medical professionals and patients, to navigate this evolving landscape is essential for a harmonious transition. In the realm of education, the integration of AGI presents both a unique opportunity and significant challenges. On one hand, personalized learning experiences could become the norm, with AGI tailoring educational content to meet the individual needs of students, adapting in real time to their progress and areas of struggle. Imagine classrooms where each student receives guidance that feels almost intuitively responsive to their learning style. However, this potential brings forth the question of equity. How do we ensure that all students, regardless of socioeconomic status, have equal access to such transformative tools? There's also the risk that an over-reliance on AGI might diminish essential human interactions in education, impacting the development of social skills and emotional intelligence. As we consider the ethical implications of AGI, it's vital to establish clear guidelines governing its development and implementation. Organizations and policymakers must collaborate to design regulatory frameworks that promote transparency and accountability in AI systems. This collaborative effort should address concerns around bias in algorithms, ensuring that AGI systems are fair and equitable. Furthermore, the dialogue must include diverse voices, incorporating perspectives from various cultural and social backgrounds to avoid a one-size-fits-all approach in governance. Additionally, public awareness and education about AGI's capabilities and limitations will empower individuals to engage critically with these technologies, fostering informed discussions on their role in society. As we move forward, a proactive stance on ethics in AI will be key to ensuring the responsible integration of AGI into our daily lives and protecting the values that define humanity. The potential of AGI in the workplace highlights a critical intersection of technology and human experience. With automation taking over routine tasks, workers may focus on creative and strategic endeavors, enhancing overall productivity. However, this shift also necessitates a robust reskilling initiative to equip the workforce with the skills needed to thrive alongside intelligent machines. Furthermore, organizations must cultivate a culture that embraces change, ensuring teams work collaboratively with AGI to foster innovation and adaptability. Ethical considerations around data privacy and surveillance will emerge, prompting discussions on how to balance efficiency with the rights of individuals in a digitized environment. Ultimately, the successful integration of AGI into the workplace hinges on navigating these complexities while prioritizing human value and ethical standards. In considering the implications of AGI's integration into various facets of society, the importance of developing a responsible approach cannot be overstated. Transparency in how these systems operate will foster trust and acceptance among users, while also addressing fears surrounding bias and decision-making processes. Additionally, it's crucial to ensure that diverse voices contribute to shaping AGI's future, reflecting a wide array of human experiences, perspectives, and needs. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, the collaborative effort of technologists, ethicists, and society at large will determine how we harness the power of AGI for the greater good, reinforcing our shared values and priorities. An essential consideration in the AGI discourse is the perspective of marginalized communities, as their experiences often reveal the darker implications of unregulated technology. Historically, technological advancements have exacerbated inequalities, leaving some groups behind while enriching others. Therefore, engaging with these communities is critical in developing AGI that is not only inclusive but also equitable. By addressing the unique challenges they face, we can ensure that the benefits of AGI are shared broadly, fostering an environment where all voices contribute to shaping our collective future. Emphasizing inclusivity will help cultivate trust, mitigate fears of discrimination, and pave the way for a technological landscape that truly serves humanity. In this rapidly evolving landscape, the importance of ethical frameworks cannot be overstated. As we strive for a future where AGI seamlessly integrates into society, discussions surrounding the responsible development and deployment of this technology must remain at the forefront. As we harness the capabilities of AGI, it is crucial to prioritize a framework that promotes ethical development. By ensuring inclusive dialogue and collaboration, we can navigate the challenges ahead while safeguarding humanity's core values, ultimately crafting a future in which AGI enhances our collective experience without compromising our ethical standards.